We're at East Syracuse by the Whitley Lumber Yard, Hartwell Avenue, East Syracuse, New York. CSX going by, not sure what number. There's probably my Amazon Prime order going right down there. Anybody's got an Amazon Prime order? There's a helper engine in the middle. Drone run probably. More Amazon Prime. Going by, can't see what signal it is. Very long engine. Here comes the Amazon Primes. I think they're going to the main yard. I'm not sure. A good hello to Josh. If you're out there, Josh, you can hear me. A good hello. I go to, forgot what YouTube he has, but hello, Josh. Hello, Antonio. We're always rail fanning together. Some Schneider trucks, long roller Schneider. Train's probably never ending. There you go. Don't forget to rate and subscribe.